welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this short video I will teach you how to fix Google Map is not working on iPhone and iPad. Let's get started without wasting any time. Method 1, check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is working properly. Sometimes bad internet connection can cause this problem. Switch to Wi-Fi. If you are using cellular data, switch to cellular data. Is you are using Wi-Fi. Method 2, reset location service. Go to setting and on your iPhone, swipe down, tap on general, and then now find and tap on transfer reset iPhone. Then tap on set transfer reset and tap reset, and then tap on reset or location privacy. Tap reset setting to confirm action. Method number 3, unable to location service. For that, go to setting app and then on your iPhone, swipe down and tap on privacy and tap on location service and turn on, swipe down and tap maps and choose while using the app. Okay, and method 4, turn on background and refresh. Go to the setting on your iPhone, then swipe down, tap on Google Map, and then background refresh is enabled. Okay, method number 5, update Google Map. Make sure your Google Map is up to date. To check that, open the App Store and then search the Google Map. Okay, wait 5 seconds. Then Google Maps searching, tap on Google Map and check the here whether your app is up to date. Is not then up to date it by clicking on update. That is it. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.